Thank you. Good afternoon. My name is Jeremy Cohen, and I'm an attorney with Boston Dog Lawyers. Thank you for the time. We represent pet owners and pet businesses around the state. I just heard that there'll be administrative and financial nightmares with more regulation. Talk to Amy. I was her lawyer. That was $20,000 in bills. That's an administrative and financial nightmare. I'm in a unique position because I represent owners and businesses, including boarding facilities. Ollie's law needs to come out of committee because since Ollie died, I've received 106 calls, 25 deaths of injuries in boarding facilities, and overnight facilities are not regulated. That is absolutely not true, and I can bring the clients in here to tell you. We can talk about actually Sally, who died overnight at a overnight facility because they weren't required to keep the air conditioning on. We can talk about the dogs that escaped their crate and ended up eating things they're not supposed to because overnight facilities is not regulated and people are not there. So the truth is, you get those 106 calls, you listen to those people. This is, yeah, it's emotionally driven, but the talking, there's an organization that's speaking here that's been in business operation since 1884. What have they done to stop these deaths at boarding facilities? Ollie's law is not out to get people who have dogs, sporting dogs. What we are is trying to get minimum standards of regulation in. And what we're up against are people that don't want any regulation. But one day regulation is coming for breeders. It's happening across the country and it will come. Ollie's is not trying to do that right now. But what are we going to do about the dogs that are dying every day? We've started 3 years ago, and because of all this inactivity, it's death after death after death. We're sorry for the inconveniences this might cause a city or town, but these dogs are dying, and this could be any one of us. These are the calls I get. I just dropped my dog off. I'm on my way to work, and I got a call, and I'm getting them as they happen. They said something happened to my dog, and now it's dead, and they won't tell me what went wrong. And what these facilities do is they know there's no regulation, so they turn their backs. They say, it's not our fault. We don't know what happened. And because there's no regulations, there's nothing that they have to adhere to. There's not even fire safety regulations. So pet owners, your constituents, and my clients end up having to internalize this and blame themselves. As you heard Amy sit here and say, why did I decide to go to a boarding facility? When they don't take accountability, pet owners take accountability. You need to make these facilities take accountability. I shouldn't be the one who has the only database in the state of 106 calls since 2020. There should be something for pet owners to see what the problem is here. And it's bigger than just Amy here. We could have filled the room with all the clients that should be here because their dogs were hurt or killed. Thank you.